Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to set up smart shopping campaign in Google Ads. So let me go over a difference between smart shopping and regular shopping campaign first. So the main difference is the amount of work that is needed to optimize regular shopping campaign rather than Google Shopping is much bigger, because smart shopping campaigns are Google optimized and there is not that much that you can do to optimize them. So let me do a quick Google Smart Shopping campaign setup and you guys can see how it's done, and I'll do my best to explain step by step how we can set the campaign up and what we can do to optimize each campaign. So just show you. So on this account I already have several shopping campaigns set, but not smart campaigns. So let me just create shopping smart campaigns. So I always do a campaign without goal guidance, select shopping, make sure this is the merchant center that you're using, target, in this instance it's United States. So let me just, okay, and we'll go with smart shopping campaign. Like I said in one of my previous videos, make sure you have some kind of naming convention, whatever makes sense to you. So additional settings, no budget, let's go with $10. Now this is the one of the more important things when it comes to setting up campaigns. Do you want to set a target return on ad spend or just use maximize conversion value? So honestly, if you don't know what is your target ROAS for the campaign, perhaps it's best to leave it as is, because you might stranglehold the campaign or not not allow it to do the Google best that it can do. So for me right now, this is a relatively new account, so it's running maybe for 1 month and we don't really have that many conversions for me to be able to determine our target ROAS. I will leave it as is. If you are working on an account where you already know what is your return on ad spend, you might as well set it up here and allow Google to maximize for that. So right here, setting up date, if you have end date for the campaign, it's not something that I usually do. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, so let me stay here. I actually have already created this campaign. So, okay, so as I already have it, let me just go click cancel here and all but removed, and the, yep, I already have, like I said, naming convention is rather important. So the next step after we would be here. If I just clicked save campaign, we would be here in the smart campaigns. So don't mind the 45 products name of the campaign. We are advertising for top 45 products, so that's how the feed is set up. So what you can do to further optimize this campaign. So if there are some products that you would like to remove, so let's do it like this. So you have product IDs here, and if you would like to remove some products from your Google Smart Shopping, you select them and you exclude them from the campaign. So that's one of the things that you can do. Now let's see, when it comes to placements, we will not be getting almost any data here. Yeah, no data here. When it comes to search terms, as you can see, we are not getting any search terms, so we don't really know where Google is showing these ads for which search terms. Devices, we are not able to make bid adjustments on ad group, or yeah, so let me just show you. If yeah, no bid adjustments in smart campaigns. So all in all, there is not much that we can do. Also, we are not able to create a schedule here. But having said all this, my experience with Google smart shopping campaigns is rather good. Compared to regular shopping campaigns, we had some pretty good results. So the results are better for the accounts where you actually have a lot of conversions, and Google is able to use your conversion data to better optimize the campaigns. So for this account, for newish account, probably not the best way to go to just start off smart campaign. My idea is always to run regular shopping campaigns first for a while, and then based on that data, and after we get some conversions, and after we have some initial data that can be used for optimizations, after that I start the smart shopping campaign. Okay guys, hopefully this was useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, or leave comments below. I will be doing more shopping videos, and hopefully I will be able to help you guys out with your own shopping problems and issues with Google Ads. All the best, and see you here soon. Bye bye. So one of the things that I didn't really mention in the video at the time of recording is that one of the major reasons why Google smart shopping campaigns are super useful is the fact that Google will be showing your shopping ads on display network, and it will be showing them aggressively. So this is something that you cannot really do with regular shopping campaigns. So it's one of the useful ways to experiment and get more data, and get your product out there for a lot less money, and get faster response, and see how people are responding to your products on Google. So that's a quick update on the video. Sorry again guys for missing that in the initial recording. Thanks, and talk to you soon.